back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an oldie, welcome back, guys. Today I'm doing this boxed in look. I wanted to recreate this look. I seen this look on Instagram when I was scrolling, and I really just love the creativity in this look, the dimension in this look, and the art that's in this look. This was my first attempt. I feel like if I do this again, I'll see areas that I probably could have done better, but for the most part I'm really satisfied with the dimensions that I provided to you guys. The shading I'm really pleased with compared to my previous shading that I did for the mask off look. I feel like if I do the mask off look again, it's gonna be crazy, okay? Especially because the way I did this, I feel like I could do the mask off better, but that's not what we're here for. I'm doing a boxed in look, guys. Y'all feeling my little ponytail? But guys, for the most part, I'm just going to show you guys. I'm not going to show you guys the eyes. I'm really going to just show you guys how I achieve the dimensions, the looks, and everything else, because that's the main focus of this video. If you want to see this color or this color, you can comment below and say right or left, and I'll let you guys. I will try to give you guys a tutorial. But for the most part, guys, let's go ahead and get into the tutorial, and I can show you guys how I achieve this look.
Alright guys, so what I'm doing here is I'm going in with my eyebrow pencil and I'm just tracing the middle line between my face to help start off the tracing process. And in these next couple of steps, I'm going to be showing you guys how I just basically trace out the outline of the areas that I'm going to have for my face. Now that the desired areas are traced out, I'm going in and basically doing a full face on this eye, and then on the other areas that I'm designing to have foundation on, I'm just going in and beginning to fill in my foundation in those desired areas. So these next couple of steps, I'm going to be doing my full makeup routine that I would do in those areas. So you've seen those videos where I've done my full face, so at these points I'm not going to do much of a talk through, just going to let you guys watch me work basically. But in those areas that have the foundations, you'll be seeing me complete a full face. Alright, so now that the face is done, I'm going in with my e.l.f. concealer, and I'm using that with my angled dual brush, and I'm using that to line or clean up the lines a little bit more, and also use it as a product for my shadowing. So that's what you'll see me doing here in these next couple of steps, cleaning up my lines, applying some a little bit in certain areas to apply more shadow, and just using the spoolie end of that dual brush to kind of fade out and give that shadow effect. Also, another shading product I'm using is from the Juvia's Place Afrique palette, and I'm using Cameroon, and I'm using that to help shade in some more in the shadows, as well as provide that realistic effect. Alright, here I'm going in with my ColourPop Cosmetics concealer in the shade medium dark, and I'm just using my angle brush to go in and just clean up some of my lines, clean up some of the areas that I may have a little bit too much product on some parts. But for the most part, I'm just going to be going in and cleaning up my lines with the ColourPop concealer.
Alright guys, well that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy these different type of videos I'm trying to give you guys to show how versatile I can be. I feel like I'm a visual learner, and so I feel like when I do stuff like this tests my theory. But definitely guys, I want to thank you guys so much for watching to the end. If you made it this far, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. As always, stay true and stay you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.